Hi Kickstarter, Matt here, and I want to show you a little bit behind the scenes with our current Luna prototype. So this is in fact the Luna we used to shoot the video that you saw at the top of the Kickstarter page. And this is a combination of 3D printing and some electronics manufacturing we had done in China. Here's what the board looks like before it's been programmed and when it's totally exposed. And then what we did is we 3D printed an enclosure, painted it red, and put that on top. So this is very similar to what the final version will look like. It's the exact same shape, exact same dimensions, the exact same components in there, just the color will be a little bit different. We couldn't exactly match the color. And to show you, here's one that we currently have, and this is what we currently sell for the Mac. This is the USB-C Luna display, and this is what our packaging looks like. And if I open it up here, you see there's the insert, and then here is the actual Luna display for USB-C. You can see the color's a little bit different. It's pretty close though. So yeah, so this is the HDMI compatible Luna, and what I want to show you next is I want to show you how it actually works. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to plug this into my PC, into the side of my PC in the HDMI slot. And then for this demo, I'm going to use some command line tools to set it up. Now, that's because we're in the development stage right now, and when we ship this to you next year, we'll have this all wrapped up in an app format that's really easy to use to get it going. But for now, we heavily use command line tools during development. So first, I'm going to enable the Luna. Okay, and now I'm going to do the final step enabling the Luna. You'll probably see the screen flash for a moment, and that means it just detected the second display. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to start the service that streams to the iPad. So I'm going to launch that. And then on my iPad, we also have an app, and so I'm going to launch the iPad app. Now it's going to take a moment here for it to connect. Both these devices are connected on the same Wi-Fi network, so they're going to discover each other that way. And once they discover each other, as we can see is happening right here, and boom, there it is. We just had the second display appear on the iPad. So this is really cool now. Let me show you how I can drag a document over there. So I've actually got a PowerPoint presentation here. I've got it on my main display. Now I'm going to drag it over to Luna. There it is. Luna display for Windows. And again, we'll have this all wrapped up for you when we ship next year in a nice app format that's super easy to use. But I wanted to show you today how it looks with the prototypes and the software prototypes. And so we hope this was helpful, and I'd love to have you back our Kickstarter so we can get this in your hands next year.